regenerative. Just give me a second here, I gotta get set up. Okay, so to be regenerative agriculture, you have to follow the 6 principles of regenerative agriculture. First principle, least disturbance. What that means is, basically you just have to get a really good night's sleep. As you can tell, we're making production. I get at least 30 hours a night. Next, rule number 2 is context. So we're all different, right? I've been doing this a long time, so I'm in a pretty good place right now with regenerative agriculture, but you might be just beginning your journey. It's a beautiful place to be. We're all on the regenerative journey together. Rule number 3 is living root. As you can see, I am made up of living root. Oh yeah, this one here. It took me a long time to grow that one. The more living root, the better and healthier your soil is. Honestly. It feels so good. Rule number 4, cover crops. I love cover crops. I'm made up also of cover crops. Personally, I love pruning our grasses. Cover crops are very important because they protect me from harsh weather conditions like the sun and they keep me cozy at night, which I love. And so yes, basically a cover crop. Rule number 5, biodiversity. I like a lot of things. Native nuts, these are acorns, pollinators. I love my butterflies, I love my bees. Everything is better with a lot of things. Rule number 6, animal integration. My favorite. Hello, dear heart. Animal integration is so important for regenerative agriculture. It's all about grazing, guys. Actually, I have an appointment with a whole herd of sheep next week. They give me the whole spot treatment. First, I get a hot hoof massage. Then they trim me up. And who can forget about the mud masks? Top it all off with my favorite hat. Kiss the ground. For regeneration. Okay, that's it. After the service.